5. Stoic exercises that will make you mentally unshakable. Most people think Stoicism is about suppressing emotions. It's not. It's about training them. Marcus Aurelius didn't wake up calm. He practiced his way there. Today we are moving past the quotes. I'm giving you 5 mental utility exercises you can use right now to reclaim your focus and kill your anxiety. If it's on the left, it's not worth a second of your stress. Anxiety is the gap between expectation and reality. When you prepare for the worst, reality can no longer shock you. Your massive problem looks tiny from 30,000 feet. This isn't to say your problems don't matter, it's to show you they are manageable. If you prove to yourself that you can survive the worst, you lose the fear of losing what you have. Don't just tolerate what happens. Love it. Use every obstacle as fuel for your growth. The fire doesn't get mad at the wood for burning. It uses the wood to get brighter. These aren't one-time fixes. They are mental reps. Choose one of these to practice tomorrow. If you want more tools to upgrade your mental operating system, subscribe to Mental Utility. Control your mind or someone else will. See you in the next one.